Who has ever been in a situation where you're feeling like you forgot your deodorant? This one is called Stinky Armpits. So again, tongue up, teeth slightly parted, lips closed, no clenching. Breathe through your nose. What we're gonna do is we're gonna follow our own pace. So you don't have to go the same speed that I go because there's a lot of pulling and tension with this one. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to turn our head and then angle our nose into our armpit. And you kind of come up and come back to neutral, turn our head, and then pull your nose into your armpit, okay? So I'm just gonna do that 2 times at a pace that I feel is good to start with.